Good morning, dear students. Now, in today's lecture, we will explain types of redox reaction. Too many students have a question in their mind that oxidation and reduction are the types of reaction, but no, they are redox reaction. We will explain types of oxidation and reduction means redox. Oxidation and reduction are not the types of redox because they are a redox reaction. So we will explain in today's lecture the basic concept of redox reaction. This is very important for inorganic chemistry and as well as physical chemistry. So dear students, genuine request to all of you that be alert in this question. Okay, so the first type of redox reaction is here. It is combination reaction. But first of all, we will learn what is combination reaction. Just see, a reaction in which two atoms or molecule combine together to form third molecule is called combination reaction. Just see the examples are here. But first the definition: a reaction in which two atoms or molecule combine together. Just very important point is here that we have to attach atoms or molecule. We know that atoms and molecule having zero oxidation number. Just see, the example is here. C plus O2, third molecule is CO2. Oxidation number of carbon is 0. Oxygen also 0. Here the carbon plus 4 and oxygen minus 2. So a reaction in which two atoms or molecule combine together to form third molecule. देखिए यहाँ पर दो एटम और मोलेक्यूल कंबाइन हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पर तीसरा मोलेक्यूल प्रिपेयर हो रहा है, तो उसको बोलते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. सेकेंड एग्जांपल मैं आपको देता हूं. H2 plus O2, H2O2, 0 0 hydrogen plus 1, this is peroxide, so oxygen minus 1. Again a reaction in which two molecules combine together to form third molecule. दो एटम्स और मोलेक्यूल कंबाइन होते हैं और तीसरा यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट एक ही हो, प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ एक ही हो, उसको बोलते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. आई विल गिव यू थर्ड एग्जांपल फॉर दिस. Mg plus N2, Mg3N2 plus 2, this is minus 3. Again see this important point that Mg and N2 combine with each other. Magnesium having 0 oxidation number, nitrogen having 0 oxidation number, and it forms plus 2 and minus 3, Mg3N2. So this type of reaction is known as combination reaction. Is it clear? So again I repeat my sentence: a reaction in which two atoms or molecule combine together to form third molecule, that is combination reaction. Okay, the second one, decomposition reaction. decomposition reaction. Okay, just see a reaction in which molecule break down to form two or more components is called decomposition reaction. I think, dear students, when I will write one important sentence here, you can easily understand decomposition reaction. Just see, this is this type of reaction are opposite to combination reaction. When I am writing here, it is reverse to combination reaction. You can easily understand the concept of decomposition reaction. It is reverse to combination reaction. Just see, we have an example about this. NaH, after heating, it gives us sodium plus hydrogen. Just see here, two hydrogen, 2 sodium, 2 Na. Sodium plus 1 charge, hydrogen minus 1 charge. We know that when hydrogen attach with metal, at that time hydrogen becomes minus 1. Otherwise, hydrogen having always plus 1 charge. 0, 0. Just see, a reaction in which molecule break down to form two or more components is called decomposition reaction. These types of reactions are opposite to combination reaction. देखिए, this is very opposite to combination reaction. In combination reaction, we know that 0, 0, and the other side charge, other side 0, 0. Reverse to combination reaction, this type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. I will explain you another example for this. KMnO4, K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus O2. Just see, this is plus 1 plus 7 minus 2 plus 1, manganese plus 6, oxygen minus 2, manganese plus 4, oxygen minus 2, and this side oxygen 0. I am calculating all the oxidation state of all the elements. Is it clear to all? Just see, two or more components. Here O2 is 0. It is not necessary that on the product side, it is, again I repeat my words, it is not necessary that in the product side all the elements is in a 0 oxidation state. If one is 0, then it's okay, but reactant is 1, it is confirmed. One reactant, product, two or more product will obtain also in this type of decomposition reaction. Okay, so reaction in which molecule breakdowns to form two or more components, this type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Third type, displacement reaction. Third type is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Just see, one element out, one element in. Very simple words, we can explain this. One out and one in, that is displacement reaction. But what is the definition? A reaction in which an atom or ion in a compound replaced by an atom or ion. This is known as displacement reaction. So dear students, one atom or ion will out, and instead of out atom or element, one atom or ion will in. This type of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Okay, so this is the definition of displacement reaction. Now I will explain you example about this. A प्लस बी सी, ए बी प्लस सी. ओके, देखिए यहां पर क्या हो रहा है, बी यहां से जा रहा है, सॉरी हम ऐसा बोलते हैं, सी जा रहा है, ए आ रहा है, ये दोनों का रिप्लेसमेंट हो रहा है. देखिए, दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज नोन एज displacement reaction. But there are two important types of displacement reaction. Which types of displacement reactions are here? Just we will see the types. Number one, metal displacement reaction. Metal displacement reaction. Now we will explain this metal displacement. A word itself says something that this is, in this type of reaction, displacement of metal only. Displacement of metal only. Displacement of metal means metal displaced by other metal. Okay, so in this reactions, a metal in the compound is displaced by other metal. We have example of this: CuSO4 plus Zn, ZnSO4 plus Cu. Just see, displacement of metal is possible. CuSO4 plus Zn, ZnSO4 plus Cu. Very simple example is here. Again, I will give you a second example about this. Here 5 oxygen, so I will multiply this with 5 calcium and 2 vanadium. So vanadium is displaced. Just see, vanadium displaced and calcium will enter in this type of reaction. So this is metal displacement reaction. Again, I will give you an example of this: Cr2O3 plus Al, Al2O3 plus Cr2, 2. So in this reaction, a metal in the compound is displaced by the other metal. This is metal displacement reaction. Second one, non-metal displacement reaction. So now the second type is non-metal displacement reactions is here. Okay, just see, displacement of non-metal is possible. So in these reactions, a non-metal in the compound is displaced this type of reaction is known as non-metal displacement reaction. Okay, magnesium plus H2O. Just see the example. MgOH twice plus H2. Okay, 2H2O H2. Hydrogen is non-metal. So in any kind of reaction, when hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, I will give you non-metal example: hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, sulfur, hydrogen will obtain. This type of reactions are known as non-metal displacement reaction. Again, we will give you other example about this important point. Zn plus 2HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2. So in this type of reactions, a non-metal in the compound is displaced. So this type of reactions is known as non-metal displacement reaction. Now the fourth important type of chemical reaction is here. It is disproportionation reaction. What is disproportionation reaction? So in a reaction in which same species is oxidized and as well as reduced, this type of reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. Same species, oxygen of same species and reduction of the same species. Just we have an example about this important point. H2O2 after heating gives us H2O plus O2. Here hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 1, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. In this side oxygen 0. Just see, oxygen minus 1 minus 2, and the other side oxygen minus 1 and 0. This is minus 1 minus 2, decrease in number of decrease in oxidation number of oxygen, so it is reduction process. While on the other side minus 1 to 0, so increase in oxidation number of oxygen, so this is oxidation. So when the same species oxidized reaction, same species oxidized as well as reduced, is called disproportionation reaction. It is a special type of redox reaction. This is the very important example about this important point. We have other example also. 5Cl minus, ClO3 minus, H2O. Dear students, don't be tense in this type of balance the reaction, because in this chapter I will explain with you all about the balancing of this chemical reaction, because a strange question arise in your mind. I think probably question arise in your mind that, sir, how can we decide this balance of the reaction? It is very tough for us, because if we will remember more than 500 reaction, how can we remember the figures about this important reaction, figures of this reaction? This is the reaction. Just see, 3Cl2 plus 6OH minus 5Cl minus ClO3 minus 3H2O. So question arises in our mind that I am repeating my questions, that sir, how can we explain or how can we remember the numbers of these atoms? But it is very simple balancing. So some students ask again a new question, sir, it's very tough to balance all the atoms because it's consumed too much time for us. So I will give you a small and sweet technique about the balance of chemical reaction, because this is a part of this chapter, but I will give you a small and sweet technique that is not given in NCERT also, but it is always with you, with my student also in entire Gujarat, because I am developing a shortcut and sweet technique about the balancing of reaction. I think you all remember about this point, that Yose A ફેમટો પાઈને મામી સેન છાંટે ડેડી હકલો થાય મેગી ખાય ટેરાને પટાવે ઝેટા યોટા same type of technique, but slight technical technique with us. Okay, so now in this reaction chlorine is 0, in this reaction chlorine minus 1, in this reaction chlorine plus 1. So on this side 0 to minus 1, this is reduction. And this side 0 to plus 5, this is oxidation. So this is disproportionation reaction, a reaction in which same species is oxidized as well as reduced. So this is our last type of chemical redox reaction. This is disproportionation reaction. Okay, so these are the 4 types of redox reaction. So thank you, dear students, for today's lecture. We will explain these types of reaction in depth in the next lecture, not in a same type of way but another way. Okay, so thank you for today's lecture.